It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you lack discipline. Your brain is just overloaded, and no one taught you how to fix it. If you don't fix it soon, though, it will quietly ruin your entire life. Let me explain. You said you'd work on your goals tonight. Instead, you watched 3 self-improvement videos, checked Instagram 12 times, opened your business doc, closed it, and now you feel guilty. That guilt, that's not productivity. That's mental decay. Your brain doesn't hate hard work. It hates silence. We've trained it to survive on overstimulation, notifications, short videos, constant scrolling, background music, podcasts while eating. We can't even sit in a room alone anymore. Imagine trying to build a house during an earthquake. That's your focus right now. Shaking, unstable, fragmented. And here's the scary part. If you can't focus for 30 minutes, how are you planning to build something that takes 5 years? So here's step 1. Remove stimulation, not forever. Just long enough to feel uncomfortable. Leave your phone in another room. Sit with nothing, no music, no scrolling. You'll feel restless, anxious, bored. Good. That's withdrawal. And what happens after withdrawal is clarity. But distraction isn't the only thing breaking you. There's something deeper. Most people say, I don't know what I want. But that's not true. They just haven't sat in silence long enough to hear the answer. So they live in what I call the waiting room. Not failing, not progressing, just waiting, scrolling, thinking, planning, restarting. Imagine standing at a train station with no destination chosen. Every train looks interesting, so you board one, then doubt it, then get off. That's your life right now. You don't need more motivation. You need direction. Here's the shift. Stop asking, well, what should I do? Start asking, where do I actually want to end up? Be honest. Not what looks cool, not what impresses people, not what gets views. What would make you proud at 40? Once you define that clearly, confusion dies, because the brain loves targets. It hates ambiguity. When you know the destination, your mind enters the zone. Distraction fades. Progress becomes addictive. But even with direction, your brain might still feel foggy. Why? Because you're fueling it like garbage. There's no magic trick here. Walk outside for 5 minutes, drink water, lift something heavy, sleep properly. These aren't life hacks. They're foundations. And foundations are boring, but everything powerful is built on boring things. You want a sharp mind? Earn it through simple discipline, and here's where most people mess up. When you're building something meaningful, dopamine cheap shots lose power. So don't hyperfixate on not being broken. Fixate on building something real, and your brain will follow. Unfucking your brain isn't dramatic. It's quiet. It's removing noise, defining direction, fixing inputs, taking daily action. That's it. No biohack, no secret supplement, no 10-step productivity system. Just clarity, consistency, and courage to sit alone with your thoughts. Because the truth is, your brain isn't broken. It's just been trained poorly. And what's trained poorly can be retrained. But here's the final question. If you don't change anything, where will you be in 5 years? So here's your CTA tonight. Sit alone for 10 minutes. No phone, no music. And ask yourself one honest question. What kind of life would make distractions feel stupid? Write the answer down and start there.